You are going to love the 2022 Avalon. Toyota Avalon, a solid performer with standard V6 power, lots of interior space, and a reputation for reliability. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, LED headlights. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.